Hi everyone, Perla Perez here with Coldwell Banker, and today I have a special guest. I have Jose Molina, my favorite mortgage banker with Summit Funding, and the reason why I wanted to invite him and talk to you guys about what are the 3 important steps of getting a pre-approval. It's because I get a lot of phone calls from buyers not knowing what to do, what's the first step, or they're afraid to try to know if they can get pre-approved. So I talked to Jose and he was very kind enough to have some time for me today and explain to you guys what are the 3 important steps.
Thank you, Perla. I appreciate the invite. Yes, the 3 important steps to home ownership. The first, of course, is you've got to have income. So if you're employed and you're a W-2 employee, or you're a commissioned employee, or you're self-employed, we can help you with those types of individuals that generate income through those sources of employment. But not all people that are not employed doesn't mean that they can't qualify to buy a house. If you're retired and you're receiving Social Security and a pension, and your income is sufficient to qualify you to buy a house, hey, you know what? By all means, go for it. The second one is credit. If you have no credit, it's better than having bad credit. So if you have no credit at all, we have ways of giving you the instructions and putting you on the right path to establish credit scores, because all our systems are electronically generated and created to read and scrub credit scores. So if you have no credit scores, it's going to be difficult. There are ways that you can get a loan without credit scores, and it's called through non-traditional credit references. But those types of borrowers that want to use non-traditional credit references like PG&E, cable, phone bills, those are ways to get around the credit issue. The problem is that it has a premium and the interest rate is much higher. The cost of financing is much more expensive. So not recommended. So we could help you establish credit through some ideas that we can share with you. The third, of course, is assets. Not all people need to have a lot of money for a down payment. I know that a lot of the reluctance of people that are on the fence and don't want to make that phone calls because they think, well, I don't have any money, and so why even move forward? So don't do that to yourself. Call us, and there are down payment assistance programs that we can offer you, but they do have minimum credit scores that you have to meet. So we'll have to educate you on that end. So an example would be if you're looking to buy a $350,000 house and you meet the income requirements and the credit and you have a little bit of money with down payment assistance, you can get into a house for less than $10,000. So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So if you have the desire to become homeowners, we can help you, whether if you're ready now or if you're ready in a year. It doesn't really matter to us. We are in this industry to develop relationships long-term, and we do that by preparing the client and educating them and putting them on the right path so that they could establish themselves to be homeowners in the near future.
Awesome. Great information. I have a few clients, maybe like a handful of clients, that when they call me, try to get pre-approved, they were not ready yet. They had some stuff that they needed to work with their credit. But Jose and his team, they're really good, and I call it giving them homework. You have homework to do. This is what you need to do. And they tell them step by step. And the client followed their instructions. They did their homework. And within a year or a year and a half, they were new homeowners. So you really have to go with the right lender who knows, who is knowledgeable and will give you the right information, and also with the realtor, like myself, to help you out on how to negotiate. I know right now it's not the market where we can ask for seller contribution under closing cost, but just right now we closed, I believe it was 2 clients within the last month or so that they were able to get down payment assistance, and we were not one of the highest offer. So my recommendation is talk to a lender before going out and looking at houses, and make sure you're working with a great realtor. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos with Jose sharing some information about how to get pre-approved or some items that you might need, just send me a message, let me know. Another thing is that Jose also speaks Spanish in his team. He has a team of other 3 people under him that they speak Spanish. And I myself also speak Spanish. So if you know anybody that doesn't speak English very well or not sure, prefers Spanish speaking lender and realtor, send them our way. Thank you everyone. Hope you guys like this video. Comment and share, and bye.